Hello dear learners, you are welcome to another physics class. My name is Viekwa Sosemakula Samuel. I am a teacher of physics. In this class, we are going to carry out an experiment. We are in measuring the volume of a liquid. We are going to measure mass of a liquid, and we are going to use the volume and the mass to determine density of the liquid. In this experiment, we are going to use a measuring cylinder to determine the volume of our specimen liquid. We are going to use a digital weighing scale to determine the mass of the liquid, and then we shall be able to determine the density of the liquid from those measurements. Measurement of volume. We get the specimen liquid and we pour it in the measuring cylinder. Then we take the volume from the scale which is on the side of the measuring cylinder. So here we can see the volume of the liquid is 95 cubic centimeters or milliliters. We are going to use an electronic or digital weighing scale to determine the mass of this liquid we have measured. We are going to use this empty beaker to help us determine the mass. We can use two methods to determine this mass using the digital weighing scale. We can first put the empty weighing scale on the pan and determine the mass of the empty beaker. In this case, it is 100 grams. Then we transfer our specimen liquid from the measuring cylinder into the beaker. As we transfer, we can see the mass increasing. Okay, until it is completely empty. So the mass which was in that measuring cylinder plus the mass of the empty beaker is 192 grams. This is the total mass of the empty beaker plus the liquid. To find the mass of the liquid, we shall have to subtract the mass of the beaker plus liquid minus the mass of the empty beaker. So we have obtained the volume of this liquid as 95 cubic centimeters. We have measured its mass and we have obtained 92 grams. We can obtain the density of this liquid by using the formula that density is equal to mass divided by volume. So we shall have the mass of 92 divided by the volume of 95, and that gives us a density of 0.968 grams per cubic centimeters. Alternatively, we can get the mass of the liquid directly from the display of the digital weighing scale. To do that, we put the empty beaker on the weighing scale and we press the tire button so that the reading goes to 0. We then transfer the liquid from the measuring cylinder to the beaker. So in that case, we shall be able to get the mass of the liquid directly from the display of the digital weighing scale.